What if the next PlayStation isn't just more powerful, but fundamentally different? Whispers about PS6 are getting louder. This doesn't feel like random speculation anymore. Bigger memory, AI-driven graphics, a possible 2028 window, a console built not just to outperform PS5, but to reset expectations. Nothing official, everything intriguing. Let's cut through the noise. Architecture balance, memory expansion, and ecosystem control. Not flashy marketing terms, structural shifts. The number that keeps resurfacing? 30 gigabytes. That's the RAM figure tech insiders and analyst circles keep referencing. Why does that matter? Because modern engines like Unreal Engine 5 are aggressively memory hungry. Nanite, Lumen, high-density assets, these systems punish hardware ceilings. PS5's 16 gigabytes works, but developers constantly optimize around limits. Doubling that headroom doesn't just improve visuals, it removes friction in design decisions. Now zoom out. PS5 delivered roughly 10.28 teraflops, 16 gigabytes of GDDR6, and a strong custom SSD pipeline. It was a balanced machine for 4K at 60 with selective ray tracing. But ray tracing stability has remained a weak point. Rumors suggest PS6 is not chasing raw 8K marketing. It's chasing consistent 4K at high frame rates with full ray tracing enabled. That requires more than computation. It requires smarter architecture. Expect next-gen AMD silicon again, but refined. Stronger CPU core scaling to reduce bottlenecks in physics-heavy worlds, improved RT accelerators, and deeper AI-driven reconstruction. The industry is clearly shifting toward AI-assisted rendering efficiency. Sony won't ignore that. Now here's where it gets strategic. Reports suggest Microsoft is leaning toward a Windows-integrated next-gen Xbox ecosystem. If Xbox becomes more PC flexible, Sony's counterposition becomes obvious. Tighter optimization, controlled hardware. Maximum developer consistency. The PlayStation brand has always thrived on build once, optimize deeply. PS6 likely doubles down on that philosophy rather than chasing PC hybrid territory. Social chatter is split. Some users predict all digital, others insist disc support remains. Connect the dots, and the PS6 story isn't about raw speed. It's smarter rendering, bigger memory headroom, stronger ray tracing stability, and tighter ecosystem control. The real leak isn't a document, it's the trajectory. Sony's silence isn't mystery, it's timing, and the direction is getting harder to ignore. Thank you for tuning in. This doesn't feel like casual rumor anymore. The numbers make sense, the strategy aligns, the market pressure is building. If PS6 lands with doubled memory and smarter rendering architecture, that's a serious generational shift. Drop your boldest prediction below, power leap or ecosystem chess move.